Hi everybody, we're gonna make blueberry muffins today. The first thing you wanna do is take a couple eggs out of the refrigerator and let them get a little bit warm. Also, you're gonna have about 2.5 cups of blueberries, and I just rinsed mine and just kind of let them sit there till we're ready to go. And you need a cup of buttermilk, which I have, and I'm just kind of letting it get, not to room temperature, but just to get the chill off of it. And as soon as all that's done, I'll be back. Hi everybody. We're gonna start the muffins now. So we're just gonna make the topping right now and then set it aside. So the first thing you need is a 1/4 cup of flour. And put this in a small bowl. And then you need 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And then you need 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then you need probably about 3 tablespoons of chopped pecans or walnuts. And you're gonna take a fork and just kind of crumble this around. I just want to get that butter kind of clumped up into the flour. My aunt had a pecan tree, so everything she made was made with pecans. Okay, that's all mixed up. You just want it kind of crumbly, like that. And just set this aside. Okay, in another bowl, you're gonna get 2 cups of flour. Oh, I got my buttermilk in there. Hold on. Let me dry this. Okay, you need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Margie, that's enough, thank you. You need 2/3 cups of sugar. Place that in. You need 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. large eggs. I usually beat mine up before I put them in. Pour those in. And then you need a cup of buttermilk. Put that in. And then you're gonna have 1 stick of melted butter. I usually just mix this up a little before I put the butter in. Just kind of make a well in the middle. Bargie. Sorry, my bird's going off today for some reason. Okay, now you're gonna mix this all together. Now you're gonna get about 2.5 cups of blueberries and you're gonna fold them in. And about this time you can set your oven to 400. Virgie. Okay. This bird. So fold in your blueberries. Come over here near the sink. And then just fold them in. You really don't want to stir. Just fold. Okay, then you're gonna get your muffin pans. Okay. Let me get mine and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my pans. Like everybody knows, I use the cast iron, so I have to line mine with paper. You're gonna fill these probably about 2/3. I just use a little gravy ladle. And then you're gonna take about a teaspoon of the topping and sprinkle it over it. And when I get mine all done, I'll be back. Okay, I got mine all filled and my oven just went off for preheat. So there's mine. And you're gonna put these in for 20 minutes and then just do a skewer check. If you're using cast iron, check it like in 18 minutes. It's just that sometimes they cook a little bit faster in the cast iron. And when mine are done, I'll be back. Okay, my timer just went off. Just gonna check with the skewer. Okay, now with the cast iron, remember, try to pull them out as soon as you can. I will cut one open. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. I'm gonna take a bite, but I gotta put a little butter on mine. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, those are fantastic. Oh, those are so good. Okay, so as soon as you can get them out in the cast iron, pull them out. And that's it. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing the videos. And I'll see you back either tonight or tomorrow for corn dogs. So you all have a great weekend.